cap. Still in hotels, so I'm just gonna put all of that here. I was doing good with posting, but uploading videos, but had to recover a truck for somebody in Virginia. In that process, I lost my wallet in North Carolina. Was in North Carolina for a week. Said F it. We just gonna skip and drive past DLT way station. Did all of that. Dude got his truck back. I got my truck back out of the shop. The reason why I went ahead to go recover a truck for the company to go help the driver out who wasn't feeling sick. Don't want to put his business out there. But yeah, so I don't want to push my luck anymore, even though I don't believe in luck. So I ain't gonna say luck. I don't want to put myself in a worse situation getting caught without license in that semi truck. So we just gonna be day trading until the license come or that get figured out. Up 500 on one and down 500 on futures. I really like futures. Well, I really want to do the futures account, but that's that one. And let me go to the other one. I'll show you my loss. Go to trade rate. There we go. Then we down. So up 500, down 500. But here's the recap of the week so we can catch back up and get back to consistency. And I need to get my hair twisted, so I don't know when that's gonna happen because I don't feel like doing it. And dollar's a little low on trying to get it done. And my girl fly planes, so she's nowhere by right now. Here we go. Roll it.
Homie who truck I picked up, hey, this was already like that, okay? I didn't do that. That was already like that. Like the power was out. I just didn't care to drive like it because I don't be caring about this stuff no more. I don't make no money from it. So, but the power line is out. Like I said, I ain't do that. So, I know it's gonna cost. I just want to give you a heads up. Maybe you ain't the owner operator. Yeah. The power line out, buddy boy. But I drove it down to North Carolina for Virginia. I just lost my license in North Carolina. So, we live. Going to the store. Yes, we are still driving. No license, no nothing. My company probably won't let me drive that one, but yeah. Going to the store real quick. Grab something to drink. We got big ties today. So, the update. I wait today. Out of there, boy. Yeah.
Never seen a hotel like that. This TV. Yeah, I'm almost there. See, he said.
So today, rough. And by rough, I mean, today was a movie, a lot happened. So yesterday, went in account. This morning, same thing as before, blowing the account after funded. Waking up, somebody hit the rental car. So had to call the police report. Rat snitch. Had to call police report. They was able to have it on camera, so I was able to have it recorded. The guy hit it. pulled back. I guess he saw that he did it, left, came back again, took off. So that happened. Then went to take a little break by the gas station in North Carolina. Forgot the city name. Rocky Mount, North Carolina, maybe. I don't know. I lost my wallet. My money in there, everything in there. So I had nothing to show for the last $700 I had. So once I figured that out, I was an hour away at Pilot. So gas, no license, no wallet. I think I got like $5 on one of my cards. Yeah, so that's day 2 of the fast. I think I did great by keeping a smile on my face with everything going on. So that was the end to the fast. I didn't stop. I ain't gonna eat. I'm not gonna masturbate. So might be here for, well, I don't even know what's gonna happen. So yeah, that's how that went. Well, I was up, did what I normally do. Emotional trade was 16. I had 600. I got up to like 8. So I'd have been $200 in profit. I hit my buffer and everything. So thank God in God Jesus. Got another chance tomorrow. One thing not to be worried about, we've been down before and got up. So come back tomorrow. Try again with something. Dang it, man. Push the luck today. Hopefully shoot for tomorrow and we do something good, and tomorrow it was like today. That's that. Might get another account to try to pass. Might go with trade to 5. We'll see. Dang. But it's a good thing though, like I say, we're still learning, so don't be sad today, Marcus. Got another chance tomorrow. Don't mess nothing. Alright, we're currently in the trade. I need to be driving to Virginia to pick up this truck or whatever. We're going red, back and forth in red and green. So I hope it goes up. I don't know, it don't look like it now. But starting to fast, undocumented. See how this week go in the first. Post it when I'm done. Yeah, you know. See how it goes. So we got a rental. They gave us a Nissan. I thought it was gonna be the SUV they had over there, but I should have asked how gas gonna work. But We'll see.